Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If it's the first time you've been on my channel, then a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that are already following me and subscribed, thank you very much and welcome back. So we are now into day 6 of my 3K in a 31-day challenge. Now, if you saw my last video, you will know that I have already been using and have put into practice 2 methods or strategies of generating money online. The first method being offering my services as a freelancer, so basically registering onto various different freelancing websites, and the other method is selling my junk and other items online through the use of eBay and Facebook. So those are the 2 methods that I'm currently using. Another method that I want to share with you, and what this video is about, is a method that I think is gonna just blow your mind, because one, you don't need any initial investment, so you don't need any money up front, you don't need any stock, so all that you really do need is some time and consistency. So the strategy that I'm referring to works like this. What will happen is that you will list an item on a website, and then a customer will hopefully see that item, they will buy that item, so they'll pay you the money, and what will happen is that you will basically take your profit and then pay for that item, and then that item will be sent directly to the customer. And the beauty of that is that you won't even see the item. Okay, now I know right now you're thinking, hold on a second, how does that even work? Okay, so like I said, this is a strategy that I'm already using, and for some of you out there, you might have heard the term already, known as drop shipping. That is basically what this method is called. Okay, and like I said, this is a method that I've already used in the past and have been very successful in making money from. Okay, so let me put it into context a little bit. So what I'm saying is that you will basically have an eBay account, and what you can do is that you can basically check an item on Amazon, just say for argument's sake, because you know Amazon, right? So you'll see an item on Amazon. What you'll do then is that you will basically get that item. You don't need to place an order or anything. You'll just basically copy that item. So you'll copy the images, you will copy the description, and then you would basically put that onto eBay as one of your own items. Now the beauty of that is that you don't own this item. Okay, but what will happen is that when the customer comes onto your eBay shop or eBay account, they will see this item. As soon as they see this item and they want to purchase that item, they would obviously pay for the item already, so the payment would have already cleared. You will then go onto Amazon, pay for the item using their money, so you would have already taken your profit, pay for the item, and then Amazon will then ship the item straight to the customer. So the beauty again of that is that you don't even see the item, you haven't even held the item. Amazon is selling the item on your behalf, but you've got the money straight into your account. Alright, so that is basically how drop shipping works, and it can work in a various number of ways, but that is in essence how drop shipping works. It's as easy as that. Now obviously there is a strategy and there is a method of doing that, and what I'd like to do is that if you're interested in knowing exactly how that works, then I want to hear from you. So I want you to leave a description down in the box below. Tell me if you're interested in this methodology. Then what I can do is put out another video that will go into a bit more detail in terms of how that actually works. Okay, so that is another method that I'm going to be using, which is known as drop shipping. So guys, I hope you're excited by that method, because trust me, this is one of the few methods out there that you can actually use without using any money. And the best thing about it is that it is absolutely above board and it is legal. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, then make sure you hit that like button, and again, like I said, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you've already tried it, or if you're not sure how it works and you want me to go into a bit more detail, then let me know and I will be happy to shoot another video and put a little bit more meat on the bones, if you like. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you want to keep an eye on my journey and what I've been doing, make sure you hit that bell icon, that notifications button, so that every time I upload a video you will know as and when that happens, and you'll receive a notification of me doing that. So guys, make sure you stay tuned, and I'll check you on my next video. Stay blessed.